With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
So in this question it is asked that select and correct a statement for ecological succession, and the options are: the average size of individual generally increases, the efficiency of energy uses and the nutrient conservation increases, the community organization become more complex in the climate community, and all of the above is correct. So basically talking about the ecological succession. Now basically ecological succession is the change in species composition in an area. And it is basically of two types: the hydrarch succession and the xerarch succession. So basically the hydrarch succession, basically the succession takes place from aquatic habitat, begins from the aquatic habitat, whereas in case of the xerarch succession, basically the succession takes place from dry or arid conditions. Okay, so now talking about the options, that is the average size of the individual generally increases. It is a correct statement because if you see the aquatic ecosystem, if you look at the aquatic ecosystem, that is the aquatic succession basically, then you can see that it starts with phytoplanktons, then move to the submerged plants, then to the floating plants. So on each basically gradual level, the size of the individual is increasing. So it is a correct statement. Next is the efficiency of energy uses and nutrient conservation also increases. It is also correct because in this chain only we can see that the energy is increasing on gradual you can say the levels in the succession. Next is the community organization becomes more complex in the climax community. So basically climax community is those community which are basically you can say the community that is present in the last, okay, the final community. You can say the final community is the climax community. So in both succession you can say this the community organization becomes more complex. That is in hydrarch or xerarch succession, the final community is basically forest, and we can easily say that forest is basically a complex community. So the option all of the above is correct, is the correct option to fill this question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.